Hi everybody, this is a video on solving quadratic equations by factoring. We're going to start off by practicing foiling. Practicing foiling will help us to be able to reverse and factor more easily. So remember, the pattern for foiling is to multiply the firsts, the outers, the inners, and the lasts. Doing this helps us see this pattern of what multiplies to this and what adds to that. We've said that a whole bunch of times. So when we go to factor this, we're going to say what multiplies to negative 42 and adds to negative 17. Okay, so we've got an easy problem and a hard problem. For the easy problem, we're going to ask ourselves, is it in standard form? Yes, we have squareds, x's, numbers, zeros. By numbers, we mean constant terms like 14. So we say, what multiplies to this and adds to that? What multiplies to 14? Well, 1 and 14, negative 1 and negative 14, 2 and 7, and negative 2 and negative 7. Then we ask ourselves, which of those add to 9? Well, that would be 2 and 7. So we can write this as 0 equals x plus 2 times x plus 7. Now, we know that to get our solutions out of this, we look at each set of parentheses. If we can make the left set of parentheses equal 0, 0 times the right set of parentheses will equal 0, and we'll have a solution to our equation. So to make the left set of parentheses equal 0, we would use negative 2. If we can make the right set of parentheses equal 0, then the left set of parentheses, x plus 2, times that 0 would equal 0. So that would be x equals negative 7. We can plug those back into the original to check they both work. Okay, now our next equation, the hard one, doesn't have anything equal to 0. So I'd like to put my 0 on this side, which is going to require moving the 6x and the 24. We're going to do that by subtracting 6x from both sides and subtracting 24 from both sides. Our equation is now 3x squared minus 6x minus 24 equals 0. Now I notice that this starts with 3x squared and that every term has a greatest common factor of 3. That is, I can undistribute a 3. 3 times x squared minus 2x minus 8. To make sure you understand what's going on here, think about what would happen if you distributed that 3 back in. You'd get 3x squared, negative 6x, and negative 24. Now, we're going to factor what's in the parentheses. So, what multiplies to negative 8 and adds to negative 2? That would be this one. So, this factors to 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 4 equals 0. If you want to check that, you can FOIL it out. Start with the binomials and then multiply by 3. Each set of parentheses gives us a solution. The first set gives us a solution of x equals negative 2, and the second set gives us a solution of x equals 4. Here's a quick check of that. Let's just check 4. 3 times 4 squared is 3 times 16, which is 48. Does that equal 6 times 4 plus 24? Well, 6 times 4 is 24, plus 24 equals 48, a solution. And negative 2 works as well. Alright, thanks for watching.